There's so many stories out there that I really want to get and be able to tell. When NPR picked up the piece, in 2 days I got 39 submissions from women. At first, I didn't photograph the women within the space where it happened. The first interview I did, I only photographed her in a coffee shop. But I was like, no, I need to create more powerful images that will really speak to the individual I'm photographing. Could you tell me the story about what happened? But I look back at the first photographs from Humans of Loyola, I kind of cringe. It's a constant process of learning with photography. Every single image that I take or the next photograph I take is always going to be better than the previous one. So hopefully over time it will get better and better and be able to reach a bigger audience and hopefully make an impact and stop this from happening.